Okay. So tell me, dear,
Yeah.
do you grab what is this?
Mm, yeah, okay.
Okay. So may I ask you, please, can you write these 3 lines of code here, this and this, and even this in your repo?
Okay, but how do I create a Java, I mean a Python?
Okay, I allow you to share and then we do it together.
Okay.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Sharing.
So in the URL itself, you see replit.com, and then there is a slash, and then most probably your name or a name that you gave for your repo in general, okay? Or not for your
Okay.
repo, but for your username on the Replit itself, okay? And then you find another
Okay.
slash, and
Wait, what? Wait. Find where?
okay, I think in the URL actually. So maybe you
Oh,
wait
okay.
until I can see your screen. So on the second slash, which means that after
Yeah.
the name that you gave, you will find that you have a repo name. Repo name, this is the Java repo name at the moment. So if you
Yeah.
remove the Java repo name and until the first slash and you press enter, so okay, now I can see your screen. So I would
Yeah.
say from here until here, remove,
Okay.
and then press enter.
Right.
So, and you come, you press here. Yes. Okay. So you only have this repo for Java. Okay. Now let's create a new one. Okay. So yes, you choose Python. Wait, we can say Python class also can.
Okay.
Okay. Create repo. Okay. So let me share with you the code that can you still remember them, or I need to pass to you? Let me pass to you.
Yeah. What is the shell?
So
I have
the
console as of shell.
yes, so shell actually some of the languages you are able to write um, commands, either in this case Python commands. You are able to run it, write it, and actually get the result. So if you write here, type, and so okay, let me share with you. So certain commands you are able to execute, but that will only execute line of code. So if you do like that, and then you pass it 3, can you type here like this here, here?
Here, oh, okay. Here.
Yeah,
Okay.
press enter. It seems that it doesn't. In the normal Python shell, we are able to write commands like that, and then we are able to get results. But I'm not very sure why is it not working here. But
Hmm.
anyhow, the shell in general. Um, did you deal with command line CMD inside your computer?
Yeah.
Did you did you deal with the command line?
Of course. Yeah, yeah. So this is like that.
Yes, similar to that. Yes, but as you
Right.
can see here, as you can see here, from the dollar sign, this is not a Windows shell.
Yeah.
It is a
Yeah.
Linux one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I believe, yeah, I will share with you the comments. So again, I didn't give you the answer for your question, but while you are writing, I will try to answer you. So I pass you already what you need to write.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay. Yeah, I got it.
So are you able to write here ls?
Yeah, okay.
Press enter. Okay, so it's start to. So this is a page. This is a shell or command line for the Linux. So the instruction it takes ls is to list all the files that it have, and it did actually that. So this is the main. This is your main, and this is the other two files that it lists here.
Mm. Okay. Okay, so now I write the
Yes.
yeah.
Why we cannot see any output? That's quite strange.
Oh, I didn't print anything.
Yes. Can you use the command print?
Oh, I don't
Uh,
need to use a system.
no, no,
Like,
no. This is our
just use
life become
print
easier. Yeah, just write print and print
and then
great first.
CD.
Okay,
Oh,
print
okay, okay.
city. Yeah, yeah, okay, print city first. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Hmm.
So, do
Yeah,
you see
so
what
it's
is
all
what does it do here?
yeah, this name is 3 times.
Okay, perfect. Interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's continue.
Yeah.
Stop sharing, please, and then let me.
How come it doesn't put a space between there and then name?
You
Even though I
sure?
put this, like, look, there's no space here.
Yes, but you didn't print great. You only print. You have to
Oh,
print greeting.
yeah. Oh, okay. Ah, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So there is an engine that is used or library that is used to actually build games using Python. Okay, so Python, you can use it in AI, any applications for AI, for data analysis, for many applications actually. So if you're working with cybersecurity, you would use Python. Most of the tools is either written in Python or even in something called Ruby. So Python is very, very popular. And as you see, it's very easy. You can go up and running very fast with a few lines of code. I can tell you, I mean, recently I needed to do some work on PDF files. So this work means that I need to combine, I need to get out some information from some PDF files. So I was able to do that in Python, mean that for every PDF file, I convert it into an image. So I have almost 5 PDF files. So it results in 5 images. So also using Python, I was able to get these 5 images and combine them with the quality that I wanted, because I wanted them with to be in a smaller size, and I converted them into one PDF file with the size and the size I want. So I tried. Of course, it takes some time to be able to reach the exact size that you want to make a reduction in the image quality, but I'm able to resize the images. I'm able to reduce the quality of the images. I'm able to open the images even and get some text out from that. All that can be done maybe with less than 30 or 40 lines of code. Okay, so that is, I mean, if I cannot imagine that Java even can give these abilities to us. Okay. Okay, so I think this is not difficult, except that I would like you to know here, if we want to change from an integer to a string, we use str like that. Is that clear to you? Do you see this kind of print statement? He used plus inside. So plus is possible, and even this comma also is possible.
Okay.
Okay, so we also yeah. So if you want to take an input from the user, you don't need to use scanner here. You just use input like that. So this will get you an input from the user, and then you store it in text, and then you can print it here. The problem is, if you want to take a number from the user, then you have to do this kind of conversion. So it means that you take the input, any input from the keyboard is treated like a string. So we are not able to do any kind of arithmetic operation on string. So we have to convert string into integer like this. Okay, so we convert it. We convert our input. We take a number from the user, and it's taken as, like, let's say this is the number that the user input. So it's treated like a string. So we need to convert that into integer. Is that clear to you? Can you please write these 2 lines?
Okay. Just the number, right? The num and the print.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it works.
It works. Okay, if you can you please let me know if you So do you see the result? What is the result?
Yeah.
What is the number that you put?
I put 5 and then it multiplies it by 5.
Okay, excellent. Can you remove the int and this bracket?
Okay.
And then tell me what is the result.
So it will be what, 25? Oh.
You see the difference? It will
Oh,
work. It will
it
work.
treats it like a string.
String. So it will repeat it 5 times.
Right, okay.
Okay, so now, okay, that's good that we attract your attention here. So this comparison operators is similar to what we have seen. So this will be used in if statements. So if we want to compare two variables like that, which is bigger than or equal here, less than or equal, we test the equality between two variables like that. We say that these two variables not equal. Okay, so that is a comparison for if statements. Most probably we're going to use it. We know here and or. Did we see if statements that have and before?
Yeah. No.
We didn't.
If statements.
So never see an if statement that got two conditions that need to be.
Oh, no. We've done it.
Okay,
But we use the slash, the straight slash. I remember.
like that.
No, we use like you know, like right below backspace you have that straight slash.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we use that.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we use an and like that and or like that. So we don't use the one that is in Java. So that is a slight difference between the languages. Okay. So now have a look here. Tell me what do you understand from this, and or what will this print to us?
That will give us false because the sleep time is smaller than, not greater than.
Okay. And what about here? Do you see that?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
So what is the result that will be printed here?
True and false.
No. So when we
Makes sense.
so this is true, right? Here.
Yeah.
And this is false, right?
Yeah.
So if you do and, it means that both conditions need to be true for the result to be true. Is that clear or difficult?
Oh, okay.
So
Understand.
okay. So the point here that here this is kind that will be a variable that will be treated as a Boolean. Which means that when we AND them like that, we will store here in both either true or false. So based on the condition, if we have this is true and this is true, then we will be storing true inside both. So if you print both, you will find it print true. But in this case, when we use the AND condition, the AND condition follow that table. I think I should have, I thought we already know it by heart, but okay, never mind. Have a look here. So this is A and B. If we have two conditions like that, A and B, and then we use an AND in between them. So if both conditions are true, this is the only case that the result will be true. Okay, if we have any of these conditions is false like that, then the result will be false. This is if we use AND. So AND require us that both condition, this and this is true, so that the final result is actually true. I will explain to you what is the mean final result. But if we have A or B, so either one is true, here, either A or B is true, then we will have a result as true. And if we have both of them false, then the result will be false. Okay, now let me go a little bit by little bit with you. So I want you now to write this code from here and print out to me both. What will be the result?
I mean, nothing, right? Because one is false. So it won't, like, drink is false.
Mm-hmm.
And if you need both of them to work, then it won't, like, both won't work, right?
It will work.
Yeah.
It will work. It will print something to you.
Oh.
It will print something
What?
to you. Yes.
Will it just print false? Or?
Yes, it will print false.
Okay.
So after you see the false being printed, I want you to tell me what change that we can do here to actually print true.
Just make drink true. Or remove drink from both.
Well, okay, that's one solution.
Yeah. Or you can make drink true.
And what else? What else we can do? What if we want to change this? What can we change it with?
Or.
Or. So if we put or, this will put true inside both.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you manage to write this line? Or not yet?
Not yet. Let me. Okay, done.
Okay, so what did you print out?
But you want me to make it or, right?
Yeah, you can make it or.
Oh, for this one, it's hashtag to comment.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand.
Like the comment, like when I comment, it's a hashtag instead of slash.
Yes, exactly.
Python.
Hashtag. Yes, it's true. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It works.
Okay. So this is the if statement that we have in Python. So the one in Java we don't use. So this is a typical if, but you see here what we use, and we don't have else if like the Java. We have elif like that, and then the else also have this colon. Okay. So, and you have to also be aware that we have something called indentation. So, I mean, Python one is very sensitive to indentation. If you didn't indent all of the code here at the same line, it will not work. The code will not run. Okay. So all of them must be the same line. All the if must be at the same line. This is not important in Java, but it is very, very important here. Okay. So here it is not interesting or important that you put curly braces like this. It's not important. But the most important is that they understand only the indentation. So instead of putting curly braces to know that whatever in between belongs to the else, we don't need to do that. You just need to indent the lines under the else. So as long as you are indenting it, it consider it belong to the else. So you don't need to use curly braces anymore. Okay, clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then please write this code and tell me what do you understand from this code. You tell me what I understand first before we try to run it.
Okay. You want me to write the whole thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, dear, we close and open again, please.
Okay.